Hello, welcome to another video. Today we are continuing on the Trafalgar Square trial towards Buckingham Palace. If you don't know me, it's Hikmat. Channel name is DestinationNmore, and today we will be going through St. James Park to Buckingham Palace, Green Park. So I will see you guys there. If you haven't subscribed, please do hit the like button and press the notification button to not miss this kind of amazing videos which will come in the future. Let's go! Now I'm walking towards Admiralty Arch, which was commissioned or built by King Edward VII in memory of his late mother, Queen Victoria. Look, magnificent. And it was housing offices, but I think lately it is sold to a private company and they want to build one of these luxury hotels. It is sold for 60 million for. So now we are entering the mall. I think I'm pronouncing it properly now. The mall. The sun is shining directly. And this is Old Admiralty Building. And who is he? And this is Captain James Cook. I have no idea who is he. So this is the mall. Straight ahead is Buckingham Palace, and this is the mall gallery.
Morning, mate. Thank you.
So this is the gallery. That is let's go there. This is a memorial for Royal Marines. Just next to Admiralty Arches. Admiralty Arch. So this is a Royal Marine Memorial. On my right, on this side is the Mall Gallery, and I believe that they are saying the color of the mall, the road is red because it looks like red carpet. So it's a red carpet all the way to Buckingham Palace. Amazing. So let's go through St. James Park. See what is inside St. James Park. This building on my left, it is not on Google Maps. I think it is a kind of secretive bunker or something. A lot of CCTV in there. And in front of us is the horse guard. Huh? If you go through that building, so there is the horse guard standing in front of that building, which is good. They have two units. One is the blue uniform and the red uniform. So they are changing, I think, every 1 hour. So this place is mostly some functions happened, and this was the scene of beach volleyball from Olympic 2012, London Olympic 2012. Was the beach volleyball was set in this area. Here we have a guard memorial or guards division, and it is located just in front of Horse Guard. So we continue towards St. James Park. Let's see what is inside St. James Park. It's a beautiful and large park which is covering, I think, 23 acres of land. Beautiful decoration of flowers and St. James Park entrance. And we have a restaurant inside St. James Park. If you feel like eating or drinking anything, you can come here and have a meal or a drink. Some information about the St. James Park, history of St. James Park, water past and present. So this is the all types of birds that you can see, mostly from the duck family, which is called waterfowl. And waterfowl is a big family of ducks. St. James Park, and it consists of two islands. One island is this one, and there is another island is on the other side of the bridge, which is called Duck Island. Impressive. You can see the horse guard from here, so it is a nice beautiful view of some monuments. Oh, there is parrots in here. It's amazing, parrots, and everybody is waiting for them to come and eat food in their hands. Famous Blue Bridge,
Here, guys, somebody go there.
which splits the St. James Park Lake into half, and on another side you can see London Eye and this beautiful lake with all its creatures and greenery. On the other side as well.
Oh no, what is it? What one?
That's a swan.
Is that a lake as well? Can I keep one up? I don't know, what is it? Maybe there's a third leg.
St. James Park is a good place to come for a stroll or a walk with family. Sitting, everybody is chilling around. It's got a quiet, nice atmosphere, calming and relaxed atmosphere. So we go ahead and get to the main story. So this is the map of St. James Park, and here is the West Island. So the whole park is on a 23-acre land, and this lake is consistent. There is the Duck Island, which is close to Horseguard Parade, and the another one, West Island, is close to Buckingham Palace. So here we go, St. James Park. Let's go ahead. We are finally here at Buckingham Palace. Here you can see it. Here you go. The official residence of the royal family and Queen Elizabeth II. So this building in front here, this one is a memorial for Queen Victoria. So let's go ahead. Oh, here is water today. It's nice. So on that side is St. James Park, and this is Buckingham Palace and Queen Elizabeth II. Fun facts about Buckingham Palace: the fasting has got 775 rooms. That's a lot of rooms. If you want to know if the Queen is inside or not, you can check from that flag over there. If the Union Jack is flying, she is not in. Or if the Royal Standard is flying, then she is in residence. So over there, that bit, where is my finger? That is the balcony, the most famous balcony where the royal family gather over to greet the crowd in celebrations and happiness and sorrow. And that guy is one of the guard, Queen's guard. The original name was Buckingham House. It was built for Duke of Buckingham back in the beginning of 17th century. I believe it is 1703, and it was a private residence. And eventually King George III acquired it or bought this one in 1761 for Queen Charlotte, and it was famous as the Queen House. Buckingham Palace became the official residence of royal family back in 1837 when Queen Victoria became queen, or after accession of Queen Victoria in 1837. So at the four corners of Victoria Memorial there is 4 giant sculptures with lions. So that one, the lady with olive branch in her hand, I think, is representing peace, and this gentleman is representing progress, and this lady is representing agriculture with sickle and sheaf and something in her hand, and this guy is a blacksmith, which represents industry or industrialization. And here we have behind the statue of Queen Victoria, we have the symbol of motherhood. That one is representing justice, and this one is representing truth. So this all means the sculpture or the designer representing, symbolizing the characters of Queen Victoria and all these statues around her. The motherhood, justice and truth, which he believed that it represents the Queen Victoria. She was just, she was a mother who loved her people, and she was true. to have the responsibility. Amazing. The Victoria Memorial is facing the mall. One goes straight towards Trafalgar Square. On this side is St. James Park, beautiful lush park, and on this side is Green Park. So these are the history of Buckingham Palace. How to get to Buckingham Palace is quite easy. Behind me, the mall, you can get to Charing Cross Station, Leicester Square, and here Green Park, which is another royal park, and there is also a station under that name, Green Park, that you can come straight to Buckingham Palace. This is St. James Palace, one of the oldest palaces in Britain. It dates back to 16th century, and this is Ferrari Court, yeah. Ferrari Court, and behind this one, the St. James Palace, one of the oldest of all these palaces. So this is it from Buckingham Palace, and I will see you guys with another video. Please do subscribe and like my videos, so this will be a big help for the growth of this channel. Until the next video, stay safe. See you guys in the next video.